Okay, so we are at the entrance of Finca Alhama, and it's gated, you're fenced off, your access is just via this, it's a track, I think it's probably about 1 kilometre, 1.5 kilometres of track, and then you're hitting brand new asphalt tarmac, okay? So you see you got rock here, okay, it's solid base. This here is actually the well, okay, which the property runs off. Okay, that's got ample water, it's never run out of water. Bearing in mind we've got 2 boundaries on that are essentially water courses, okay? So there's plenty of water up here. Lots of parking. That structure up there, that's where the water is pumped into, like a reserve, okay? And then it's a generator's pumped on, and that pumps it into the house, but you've got loads of water. Okay, so nice natural shade underneath the Spanish oak. And here we got the property, okay? So essentially we're halfway with the land. The land kind of spreads right the way up. All these terraces here are included, all of the almond trees, plus the larger trees behind it. We can show you a plan and give you a better idea of boundaries. But yeah, from up there you get views of Sierra Nevada. And then it goes right down to the watercourse here, where it's obviously all very green. Okay, that there is another second access, this track here. That's a second access. And then you can see the brand new tarmac road just there. Okay, so very interesting property this. Lots of potential. So the house itself is built on rock. It runs off solar at the present, but you've got basically 360 views. Okay, ample parking, as I said, natural shade, and actually you've got a really nice big terrace here. So there's a retaining wall, okay, and that there is the house itself. Important, it is classed as a house and not a casa de perro. Okay, so you are able to extend this, okay, going through the correct lines through licenses and what have you. And there you can see it's a retaining wall, okay, which is in good order. It's got good drainage on it, okay, going down to this watercourse here. Okay, so you got the solar panels there at the moment. Obviously they are a bit dated. You're probably gonna bang in a load on the roof now, but I've got to say it's quite interesting. So I like the flooring. You've got these cowboy kind of doors that lead into the main living, where you can see this has been a weekend home, typically Spanish. You got sink built in there, but huge fireplace, which I'm sure has seen many fiestas and many big fires. Jeez, I mean, it's perfect. So you've got single glazed windows with the wreckers, security grills. But I've got to say the structure is good. The structure is good. This is over 40, I think it's 38 or 40 years old, the actual house itself. Okay, so obviously you could do with a bit of modernising. You could obviously put in a nice kitchen, probably new windows. There is the current solar system in there, and there's the batteries it runs off. Okay, so fuse box there just to the right hand side. But the hallway leads through into 3 bedrooms. Okay, so this is obviously done out as a double. Yeah, you'd obviously kind of do a bit of a reform situation on this. These 2 bedrooms have got damp on the walls, but essentially it's because it's never been lived in. That's the north side of the property. Okay, but obviously windows in, that's down as a single. This could be a double. Again, just needs attention on that north side wall. But you've got a lot for your money here, all right, guys? Toilet is all plumbed in, sink and shower. Okay. So you've got the basics of a really nice country home that could be extended. You can do what you want with the land. You've got 100% privacy and 360 views for a ridiculously low price. Okay, I don't know anything, I've never seen anything like this, to be honest, in 21 years. And there you can see that's the rock there where the house is originally built on, so it's solid, and you know, it's not going to go anywhere. It's all declared. You just need to do, obviously, upgrade some services, and what a purchase. Okay guys, if you want further information on Finca Alhama, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.